Hi, this is our 2013 SE Audi Q5 Quattro model. The car is finished in Arctic white. So just a brief video giving you a walk around the car, have a look at the general condition of the car. So the alloys are in great condition, as is the body exterior, and as I said, it's finished in Arctic white. Car is on a Wexford plate, and it's the Quattro, 2 litre, 170 brake horsepower. So the Audi Q5 has a large boot space in it, and the boot space is a double height boot space with another opening underneath the flat floor. Up on the sides, on both sides, you have a handle for pulling that will then fold down the back seats, further extending the boot size. You also have keyless entry on this SE model. Great leg room in the rear and pull down armrest. This model has fold away electric and heated mirrors. The car has 122,000, just coming up on 123,000 kilometers on it. Large display screen. Dual climate control. And the full automatic gearbox with automatic handbrake and auto hold. This Quattro 4-wheel drive also has cruise control. 2013 Q5 will be sold with a full warranty, and the car will be fully validated and fully serviced. For further details, have a look at our website or give us a call.